As we're going through, we're looking at all the receptive fuel beds and then the fuels around the structure. In this case, in the event of a fire coming through by the Jim Bridger Lodge, it's got a huge open area of mowed down grass. So this area is an excellent place for a firefighter or firefighters to safely engage the fire as it comes. The fuels are opened, it's been mitigated. The intensity will be very low with the mowed down grass. No ladder fuels to get in the canopies of the other trees. Open eaves, these are all closed. Looking for places where embers cannot get up and in. You have a combustible siding, so that should be clear of burnable vegetation directly up to it. You have a combustible deck there. That's a receptive fuel bed for any embers coming from either directly next to the house or potentially from long ways away. This is a good space. Gravel, non-burnable, metal siding, concrete siding that's non-combustible. However, this deck is all natural wood, highly combustible. So in an event of fire coming from this area, trees can torch as far as a mile or so out, depending on the fire behavior. Landing multiple embers in here could start this structure on fire, even though the fire itself could be anywhere from 10 feet to a couple miles away. Build your firewood location away from the structure, so if it does catch fire, it's not directly next to your structure. Any tree species is capable of torching and burning. Conifers are more prone and are more likely to torch. The biggest things you can do is, as you see here, is they limbed up, so they remove the lower limbs. And so when that happens, is they remove the lower limbs, so if a surface fire does come in the event of a fire, it has a hard time going from the surface up into the canopy. And when it reaches the canopy, not only the intensities increase, but it also sends those embers and then landing on burnable materials on the structure.